All right, on this big Peterbilt, and the littlest thing can bring one of these trucks down to a grinding halt. And it's summertime and they can't drive without air conditioning. So there's an expansion valve that had the oil on it. Look at the size of that leak there. Let's see if we can get closer. It's at the bottom of the expansion valve where they adjust the superheat at the factory when they're setting up these valves brand new. So it's leaking from the bottom there. Like I said in the previous video, it was really obvious by the dust buildup because he's working in a place that has that talcum powder fine dust, and it gathered all around the oil. In my first video, I found it visually first. I confirmed it with the electronic leak detector, and then I dialed it right down to exactly where it's coming in with the micro leak detector. So we're a done deal. That's it. We'll get this thing back up and running. Brand new expansion valve, new seals, new switches, and a new receiver dryer. See you guys later. Let's see. Way down there.